So hello everyone, today I am showing you something new. Actually it is not something new, it is new for me actually. So I am going to show you how to automate WhatsApp. I am going to automate the WhatsApp web using a very popular framework that is called Selenium. Okay. Selenium is a very good framework. As you can see, Selenium is a portable framework for testing web application. Actually it helps you to automate the web browser actually. So it is supported in a lot of language like JavaScript, Node.js, Python, Java, and CS. So today what I'm going to do is that I'm going to assign a task to the my to this script, and and give the command using the WhatsApp. Let me explain you what I am talking about. So as you can see, this is my Firefox browser. Okay, so now just open WhatsApp in it. As you can see, the WhatsApp has been opened. Okay, so you can see that there are some these are the commands. Actually I have set it the command like that, and that if there is one symbol, then you have to join in this meeting. This is a Google meeting link. What that script will do, when some message is received, and it is followed by a meeting link, then what it will do, it will join to that link. Okay, send for example, you want to give some messages in the meeting, but you are not physically present in the meeting, but you want to give them. Your laptop is currently connected to the meeting and you are operating with your phone. Like if you send the symbol 3 times and write a message, then this message will be sent to the chat box. Okay, like you can do it many times, yes, but I have designed the software like that you can join one meeting at a time. You can customize it. Obviously I will provide the GitHub link. You can customize, use, and please don't forget to give me the credit, but you can use it, customize it. Or okay, then as many as time you want to send them message in the chat box, you can type new messages. And at the end, when you want to leave the meeting, you just have to give the 5 symbols. This is uh, this greater than symbol, and then type end. Yes, it is syntax sensitive. You have to type in END in capital. You can but you can use any text in this section. Okay, so these are the design that I have used. You can develop it, and after copying it from my GitHub, I will provide the GitHub link. So without wasting time, let's try how it actually works in the real time. So what I am going to do, I am just going to close it. Okay, then I am going to start a meeting. Okay, I am going to start a meeting. Just let me run this script actually first. Okay, and yes, I'm going to run this. So as you can see, it is initializing the browsers. So you can see the browser has been opened. This is the browser in which WhatsApp is going to be accessed. Okay, so as you can see, now the browser is open, and currently it is received the instruction, and it is just printing the instruction. It is not doing anything because it is already not in the meeting. Then how it could be ended? There is a condition here that prevents it from trying to end like this. And yes, for ending the meeting you should always already inside the meeting, in meeting is a boolean variable, and it is currently in the false condition, because it becomes true when a meeting is joined. This is a joining condition. Okay, you can customize it, you can do more conditions like turn on mic and play certain video, certain voice messages, and all you can customize if you wish. Okay, so this is the format. As you can see, when someone and when the system is already in the meeting, then it will going to use this instruction. Or you can see if already in the meeting, then it is going to type the message, otherwise it is not going to type the message. Okay, so if it is just printing instruction from this, as you can see, this instruction is just printing receive the instruction this, but when it executes it will type leaving the meeting. Okay, so now I'm going to give the instruction to join the meeting. So finally here comes, I'm going to open the meet.google. Okay, yes. So I'm going to start an instant meeting. Okay, so copied the link, I've copied it. Okay, and going to send it here. So for joining in the meeting, we should start with this and then followed by the link. So when I give this instruction, it is going to join this, and by default I have said that it will definitely will not turn on camera and mic, and you can just disable it from your browser, then it will also work. You don't have to add these conditions. You can see that these click statements, that first let me show you. Yes, this one, these click statements, it is going to click the first what I say, the icon with which you can stop turn off your camera, and and this is going to help you to turn off your mic. And maybe first one is for mic or camera, whatever it is, I forgot that. Okay, while developing I have just copied the XPath from the browser, and I don't know which one is for browser camera, but these two statements, if you remove and just disable the browser permissions from your browser to restrict the permission from accessing the meet, Google Meet, you can disable it from here, like let me show you. As you can see, yes, here there is probably in the browser you can find from here sometimes. Yes, you can disable it from here. So it's up to you how you customize and use it. Okay, so now I'm going to send the message. So I can send it from any number, like example I have used here Kamran Airtel. So this is the number with which it is saved. You can see this Kamran Airtel. If you want to change something else, you can just change the number, like from where you want, what is going to be the source where you want to read the content. So just without wasting time, just proceed, and I'm going to send the command. Okay, finally I have sent it. You can see that. Okay, receive the instruction this and joining meeting. So it is going to join the meeting. It will take a little bit of time because it is going to launch another browser and set up and turn off the camera and all those things, and then you can see the another browser is automatically opened. So it will going to automatically press the ask to join button. As you can see, just wait for a while. I've given some time delay because sometimes that happens that the browser is not properly loaded and system is trying to click that button, then it will throw up error actually. So actually you can see, yeah, here I have received a joining request, so I'm going to admit. Okay, fine. So as you can see, the bot or the Python bot or something, whatever you say, whatever which you can say, you can suggest some names of this program in the chat box. I'm also confused about what to call this all this small tool. So I'm going to give instruction to turn on to like a hi from Python. You can see received the instruction hi from Python replying to the chat. It is extremely fast. You can see I have received a message from my this meeting. Yeah, yeah. Hi from Python. Okay, just 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 let me show you in real time how it actually works and how smoothly it works. So I'm going to send the another message. This is another message I'm going to send, and you can see it will open. Yeah, I will write and then send. I will try it. I've given some time delays because I've told you the reason why I'm giving some time delays, like 1 second or something like that. Because if we not give that, then sometimes that happen. Page is not loaded, and the automation is trying. Automation script is trying to access that unloaded components. So that's why I've given some time delays. So again, just wait for a while, and again, and then send and close. And one more thing is that you can do like you can send any link or something. Well, you can customize it as much as you want. You if you wish to turn on my camera or something like that, or play some um, then it's up to you how you customize it. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. So now I'm going to disconnect. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect. As you can see that I'm receiving message here. So what I'm going to do is now leaving. As you can see, there are two people currently. So whenever I send this 1 2 3 4 5, yes, and then press end, then what going to be happen, this number is will be going to be disconnected, like enter, and you can see yes, it is removed from the meeting. And then you can again start from the same, like you can again connect. And so one more thing I want to include that I have also added a data logging feature that log the data that is going to be, or the instruction that is going to be executed into a text file, so that you can keep track of what happening or what instruction it is receiving. So as you can see, this is the file in which you can see at the time at which we have instructed to join the meeting, and at the time at which the message is sent, and these are all the message that are sent, and when the meeting is ended, or when the program is exits a meeting. So this is the complete introduction, or you can say, of this tool. You can easily find the GitHub link and use it for. So please note that this is for education purpose. Don't use this unethically. So it will not a good idea to use it in official purpose. It is just a tool to demonstrate how Selenium works and all. Please don't use it unethically. So hope you like it. Thank you, and thanks for watching.